Welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until we get it right. Let's start our trial for today. We have completed 7 videos for PYQs, maths PYQs, and I'm going to do 3 more videos. So in total 30 questions I'll be dealing, which are most repeated previous year questions for maths class 10. And the link of all the previous videos I'm going to attach in each video's description. You can go down and check those videos to know all the questions that we have solved in this entire series. I am putting this in a one playlist, so you can go to the entire playlist whenever you want according to your wish to understand and learn along with me.
Let's solve this question from algebra. Square root of 6x plus 7, the entire expression 6x plus 7 is inside the square root, minus 2x minus 7 equal to 0. We have to solve for x. Now let's write it first, the equation 6x plus 7, the entire thing is inside the square root, and minus of 2x minus 7 equal to 0. Now I will take this entire, we will learn how to approach in order to solve this kind of questions, how to approach these questions. So you take this entire thing which is outside the square root, this 2x minus 7, you take it to the other side. Then you can remove this square root. How? We will see. So root over of 6x plus 7 is equal to 2x minus 7. If this minus of 2x minus 7 goes to the other side, it will become plus. So here the sign changed. So it's 2x minus 7 here instead of minus. So now what we can do is squaring both sides. If we square a term which has square root, what will happen? The square root will go, right? Squaring both sides, what we get? We get, see, for better explanation, I'll write it. See, here it is 6x plus 7. Square root means it's raised to the power of 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 is the power. Now, I'm squaring both the sides. So, right hand side will become 2x minus 7 whole square. And here we will get another square like this, right? This was the original power of this entire expression. Now we are, after squaring, here a 2 comes. Now what happens here? I will remove this in between this thing, brackets. Here half will get multiplied with 2, right? Like if it's 8 the power of 2, again raised to the power 3. Then what do we do? 2 into 3. It becomes 8 to the power 6. Similarly here half into 2. This 2 and 2 in the numerator it will get cancelled. What remains here is 6x plus 7. So square root is gone. This side we have to solve now. We know a minus b whole square. Just we have to apply the same formula here. A is here 2x and b is 7. So a square will be 4x square. B square will be 49. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square plus b square plus, sorry, not plus, a minus b square. So it will be minus 2ab. So here again minus of 14x, right? Minus 2 into 14x. This will be there, minus 2ab. Now 6x plus 7 equal to 4x square plus 49 minus 28x. Now we have to simply solve like we do a quadratic equation. We'll take this this side and the 7 also this side. So what remains is 0 this side, 0 equal to 4x square plus 49 minus 7 minus 28 minus 6x. So it will become 0 is equal to 4x square plus 42 minus 34x. So let's solve this question here. It'll okay, I'll put a line here and I will remove this part also. So here we need to solve 4x square minus 34x plus 42 equal to 0. If you see, 2 is common here. Here 2 is multiplied. 2 is a common factor to all of this. I'll remove this 2. I'll divide the entire thing by 2. what remains is 2x square minus 17x plus 21 equal to 0. Now you know how to find the factors by splitting the middle term. So we have to split the middle term here. Let's see what we get. We get first if we multiply here 21 and 2, it becomes 42. So we have to split this minus 17 in such a way that it becomes 42. So for that the term will be minus 14 minus 3x, because if you multiply minus 14x, I'll erase this part here. If you multiply minus 14 with minus 3, what comes? 42. So splitting the middle term we will apply here. It will become minus 14 minus 3x plus 21 is equal to 0. So here it will become 2x x minus 7 minus 3 x minus 7 equal to 0. In other words, 2x minus 3 x minus 7 equal to 0. These are the two factors of this equation, of this quadratic equation. So the x value will be here. I'll write it on the top because here it might not be visible anymore. So x is either equal to 3 by 2 or 7. These are the two values of x. X is either 3 by 2 or 7. I hope I'm clear with this question. If not, please let me know in the comment section. I'll address your doubts.
If you're watching all my videos and learning from them, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics, because I'll be posting more such videos which will be greatly helpful to you.
Let's solve next question. A 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. It is also equal to 3 times the product of its digit. Find the number. Now we'll break this question and then understand. So there is a 2-digit number, we don't know the number. Let the ones place digit of that number be equal to, let's say y. Ones place digit be y. And we also don't know the tens place digit. Any two-digit number will have 2 place, tens and ones. This is y and this one is x. So let's take x. Let the tens place digit be x. Then what will be that number? Therefore that number the 2-digit number will turn out to be, since x is in tens place. So how will we represent that number? Will we write xy? No, we are expressing it in algebraic terms. See, if the number is 23, then that means 2 into 10 plus 3. That is how we reach 23, right? 2 multiplied by 10 is 20 plus 3 gives us 23. Similarly, in this case, x should be multiplied with 10. X is the 10th digit number. Since it is in tens place, if we multiply with 10, it will give us the correct two-digit number. So it will become 10x. 10x plus y. Exactly what we did here. We are writing the 2-digit number in this form. So 10x plus y will give us the 2-digit number. Now what is this 10x plus y? It is 4 times the sum of its digits. So that means we have to equate the number 10x plus y with equal to 4 times the sum of its digits. So x and y, if we try to find its sum, what it will be? X plus y. So this is the first equation. We have to solve this. Next statement is saying it is also equal to 3 times the product of its digit. Means this number 10x plus y is 3 times the product of its digit. That means 10x plus y is equal to 3xy. Alright, these are the two equations. Now let's simplify this one. Here 10x, x and y are here and x and y here are also there. Let's find one of the variable in terms of the other. So here we are getting 4x plus 4y. I'll write that. From here, I am directly coming to this place. 10x plus y equal to 4x plus 4y. Now, we'll take this 4x this side and bring this y here, so that we find one variable in terms of another. Here it will become 10x minus 4x equal to 4y minus y. Then 6x is equal to 3y, or else if we further simplify, it will become, we remove this 3 from here and 3 from this side, common factor, it will become 2x is equal to y. Now can I not substitute y equal to 2x, this value of y here? Okay, so 10x plus 2x, because instead of y I am writing now 2x. Here also 3x into 2x. So the equation becomes 12x is equal to 6x square. Now common is 6x in both sides. If we divide 6x both sides, what it will come up to? X will come up to be equal to 2. So we have found one term. We have found the tens place digit. So y will be double of x. So y will be equal to 2 into 2, which is 4. So y value is 4. So find the number. What will be the number be? Here if I write 10 into 2, it will be 20 plus y, which is 4. It will be 24. So the answer here is, the number is 24. Okay, while solving the question, just keep in mind when you are expressing the number in algebraic terms, you have to take in account its place, that place value. Like x here is tens digit, it's tens place digit, so it will be multiplied with 10x. 10 will get multiplied with x, it will become 10x plus y. The entire two digit number will turn up to be 10x plus y. Similarly, hundreds place means you multiply 100 with that variable. So these things we have to keep in account, then the question is solved very easily. Now let's start with the next question. The next question says, find the least number which when divided by 12, 15 and 24 leaves remainder 7 respectively. That means that number, let that number be like, let's say NO. NO when I divide with 12, it's not getting fully divided. Remainder 7 appears, remains. Similarly, when I divide with 15, exactly the same remainder remains, not getting fully divided. And when that number gets divided with 24, then same remainder 7 remains. So that number, it has to be least number, no doubt, but it has to be bigger than 12, 15 and 24. That is why it is we are dividing, right? And we are getting a whole number remainder 7. So let's first find that number which is fully divisible by 12, 15 and 24. What could that number be? That smallest number which could be fully divisible by 12, 15, 24 will be the least common multiple. So let's find the LCM. 12, 15, 24. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24, 2 2s are 4, 5 remains as it is, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 1s are 2, 5, 2. I think we have reached. Now we can write the LCM. LCM is 3 into 2 cube, because 2, 2, 2, 3 2s are there. 2 cube into 5. So 3 into 8. 8 is 24. 24 into 5. That will be 120. So LCM of all these numbers is 120. Now 120 will be fully divisible. Remainder that remains when we divide 120 with 12, remainder will be 0. Similarly with 15 and 24 also. If we divide 120, remainder everywhere will come to be 0. Nothing else will stay. Remainder will be 0. So that means what we should do, if we add 7 here to this LCM, we will get 127. Now if you divide 127 divided by 12, then we will get a remainder as 7. Same goes with divided by 15 and divided by 24. All will give us now fully that number 127 will not get divided. We will get a remainder in three cases. In the three of the numbers will get remainder. So that least number will be equal to 127. I hope I'm clear with this. If you are not able to understand anywhere, please let me know in the comment section.